Sometimes you might find it easier to generate a report when you've actually started off, not by looking at the timeline, but by digging around in the charts. I'm going to show you how that might work, and you might like it as a way of working. I'm going to tap on the charts icon in the top right corner. This shows me all of our categories, and as you would expect. I'm going to click on the subjects charts block at the end there. I've got 61 items in it. And in here I can see, I've got quite a few items for RE, quite a few for science. Let's tap on RE. And I've now got a view of all boards that have been tagged with RE. Now from here, I could, if I wanted to, just click OK, and it will send me a report of all of our RE stuff. Now if I go back to the charts again though, and I'll pop into subjects again, this time I'm going to filter it by key stage 2, and I'll choose RE again. And what I'm being told here is that if I do this, what I last looked at on the timeline, that will be refreshed, and I will now see a different view of the content. So I'm going to see RE and key stage 2. So here we can see Key Stage 2, Year 3, Christianity, RE. Here we can see on the one on the right, Key Stage 2, Year 3, RE. So all the boards here are filtered according to how I was looking at them in the charts. Some people find this quite an interesting and intuitive way of doing it. And so again from here, if I want to generate that as a Word document that I'm going to add to personally later on, I'll just click OK. And I'll get an email with a link pointing to that document. If you go into the tag filter, you'll see in here that Key Stage 2 is selected, and in subjects, RE is selected. And they were selected because that's what you were looking at in the charts. Let's go back to the charts. Let's look at SMSC. This is showing me a view of SMSC and all the bits within it. Let's filter it by year 5 empty, year 4, 3. We seem to have tagged a lot with year 3. So let's have a look at year 3. So we're now looking at year 3 filtered SMSC moments. So if I now tap on any of these, for example, the first one, range of cultures, I'm being told it will now replace whatever I was looking at before. And you'll see the tags here. Range of cultures on the left, range of cultures on the right, and year 3 is there as well in each case. So range of cultures, year 3, year 3. And from here, I will now get a report that will contain those particular items only. So starting from the chart sometimes can be really quite helpful. Here's the email, and there's the link. Tap the link. Here's my report. Year group is year 3 and C2 range of cultures. And only boards that include all areas of the report focus are included. That's the reporting period. As I scroll down, here are the 2-page items. And if I tap on, let's say, relationships, it'll zip me down the PDF and find that particular evidence for me. Included in the reports are QR codes. If somebody has added a video to their board, then obviously a video in a PDF doesn't work. So it's actually replaced with a QR code, which can be scanned and you can see the video evidence that has been added. If you'd ordered the Word version of the report, then this is editable, and a lot of people actually start typing just underneath the reporting period with whatever commentary they want to add. We suggest typing up here instead of trying to type around here, because the layout of the information in Word is more complex, so you are far better off trying to put in your commentary right near the top in the nice big open space where it's easier to do.